What's up, sis? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Lucky and welcome to Skin Talk. Now in today's video we are going to be talking about the passion twist, and as you can see my hair is already done. So my hair is about 5 days old and it took me about 5 hours for me to do my own hair. I've purposely left one of the braids out so that way I can be able to show you how you can achieve this. This is my real hair right here. The hair that I used was the Free Trees brand and it was the Bohemian texture, and this is actually a 20-inch, but of course it doesn't look like 20 inches because I stretched the hair. The brand that I've used looks like this. This is the texture and this is one of the strands. With each one that I've did, I used about 5 to 6 of these strands because I wanted to get like a small medium thickness. This is my natural state of hair right here. Depending on what type of texture hair you have will determine how you would do your passion twist. Now a lot of people use rubber bands and they crochet it in. However, I do not do that step, and I choose not to do that step because again, this is supposed to be a protective hairstyle, and using rubber bands in your hair defeats the purpose of your hair protected by a hairstyle. So I choose to just do it with the hair naturally like this and twist it. As you can see, most of mine are twisted and I do not have rubber bands inside. I feel confident in them and they last me a very long time. Now my hair is already placed into 2, and to get my hair ready and prepared, I use the organic coconut oil. So we're gonna take a little bit of that. I get like a really nice size, put it on my scalp and massage it into the rest of the hair. Place my hair in 2 sections just like this. With each strand of hair, I would separate it to make the hair look more stressed. And what I mean by that is this, in a way where it's a little bit more on the separated side. You do not have to do the whole thing. You can do just the edges because of course at the top it will be braided here. If you are trying to save more time, a comb like this or a comb like this, depending on your preference, to comb out the hair altogether to save a little bit more time. This hairstyle is time consuming because of this step, so you want to be cautious of your time. The smaller the braid, the longer it will take for you to achieve this hairstyle. So I like to just get one side. I just hold it very firmly. I don't comb it all the way through, just stressed enough to get it to the way that I like it. This is how the hair should look. And with this one, I have 6 pieces and I'm going to equally separate them, putting it into 2 just like that. Put it together so that way I can be able to stretch it out. This is completely optional. You do not have to do this, but if you want a little length to it, this is how you would be able to do that. I've stretched it and now I'm going to twist it at the part where I'm going to apply it. I'm going to tilt my head downward so that way you can be able to see more clearly. Apply it right in the center. And now I'm going to take it and twist it. The other side and doing it the opposite way. Until it's tight and firm, and then I'm going to put it together and twist. Making sure that it's more of a rope and braiding it as tight as possible and pulling to make sure that it's still tight enough. You should always keep pulling. After a few braids, you pull up to make the braid tighter. Right. So this is the end of the hair. This is what it looks like. It will begin to curl up and shrivel up on you. This is the achieved look, and as you can see, it is absolutely protected. The next step that you want to do with the hair is actually secure the hair. I'm using the MOROCCANOIL Curl Control Mousse. If you want to be more budget friendly, you can use the Wet Set Mousse from OLIVEOIL. And rubbing my fingers through it. You do not have to dip these at all because of the texture of the hair. And I'm rubbing that all through the whole braid, all the way to the ends to secure everything. this is your final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions or if you have any comments about it, if you've tried this hairstyle, please let me know in the comments below. And I'll also put the products that I've used in the description box. See you in my next video. Peace.